We can finish off our clay using a regular kind of paint, or we can use a special kind of paint called glaze. Glaze will last longer, but paint is easier to control. Today we are going to paint our fired clay with a watercolor type paint. It's also quicker because we don't have to put it back in the kiln to be fired again the way we have to with glaze. Put your dirty brush in the dirty brush container and your water cup in the sink. Then grab a wipe and clean your table. After class, your teacher, Ms. Strand, will paint on some shiny Mod Podge. This will keep the paint from coming off and also makes your artwork nice and shiny and protected. Once that part is dry, you can take it home.